In today's video, we're diving into the 11th cheapest destinations in Europe, where you can experience rich culture, stunning sights, and delicious food, all while keeping your budget in check. Traveling in Europe can be expensive, and finding affordable places to eat and stay is a common challenge for many travelers. Accommodation prices, in particular, can be overwhelming, especially in popular cities like Paris or Rome. A single night in a hostel can cost upwards of 30 euros, and that's not even counting the cost of food. Eating out can be just as pricey, with a single meal costing up to 15 euros or more. And let's not forget about the added expenses of transportation, attractions, and activities. It's no wonder that many travelers find themselves struggling to stick to their budget. But what if I told you there are destinations in Europe where you can find affordable accommodation and delicious meals without sacrificing quality? So, here is a list of the 11 Europe's cheapest destinations in 2024. 1. Sofia, Bulgaria. First up, we have Sofia, Bulgaria's capital. This city is an incredible blend of history, culture, and affordability. What to see? Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, one of the largest Orthodox cathedrals in the world, known for its beautiful golden domes and impressive architecture. Bojana Church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its medieval frescoes dating back to the 13th century. It's a hidden gem for history lovers. Vitosha Mountain. Just outside Sofia, Vitosha offers great hiking opportunities, and in winter, it turns into a popular ski destination. It's the perfect spot for nature lovers. Sofia blends ancient Roman ruins with vibrant street life, all at affordable prices. Now let's talk about accommodation. In Sofia, you can stay in a budget-friendly hotel or hostel for about 30 to 40 euro per night. Hostels are clean, comfortable, and centrally located, making it easy to explore the city. When it comes to food, Sofia has you covered. You can enjoy traditional Bulgarian dishes like banitsa and shopska salad in local eateries for just 5 to 8 euro per meal. A great option is visiting the local bakeries for quick and cheap snacks too. 2. Krakow, Poland. Next, let's head to Krakow, a city known for its medieval architecture and affordable prices. Wawel Castle. This royal castle is a symbol of Polish history, overlooking the Vistula River. Inside, you can explore royal chambers and see the legendary Wawel dragon statue. Rynek Glony, Main Market Square. The largest medieval square in Europe, it's surrounded by historical buildings like the Sukinis, Cloth Hall, and St. Mary's Basilica. Kazimierz. This historic Jewish quarter offers vibrant nightlife, quirky cafes, and poignant reminders of its past, including the Old Synagogue and Jewish Cemetery. Krakow's well-preserved medieval architecture and affordable prices make it a must-see for history buffs and budget travelers alike. Krakow is a bargain when it comes to places to stay. Budget hotels or hostels can be found for around 25 to 30 euro per night, offering comfortable rooms and central locations. Hungry? Polish cuisine is not only tasty, but incredibly affordable. You can enjoy a hearty meal of pierogi or kielbasa for as little as 5 to 10 euro at local restaurants. Don't forget to try zapiekanka, a popular street food, for just a few euros. 3. Budapest, Hungary. Budapest is one of Europe's most beautiful cities, split by the River Danube into Buda and Pest, and it's also a haven for budget travelers. Parliament Building, one of the most iconic and largest parliamentary buildings in the world. It's a symbol of Budapest and looks stunning when lit up at night. Széchenyi Thermal Baths. Budapest is known for its thermal waters, and Széchenyi is one of the largest bath complexes in Europe. Relax in its warm waters, even in winter. Buda Castle and Fisherman's Bastion. Buda Castle offers panoramic views over the Danube, while the fairy tale-like Fisherman's Bastion provides some of the best photo ops in the city. Budapest is a city of contrasts, with rich historical sites, relaxing baths, and affordable experiences around every corner. In Budapest, you can find great deals on accommodation. Hostels and budget hotels range from 25 to 35 euro per night. You can even find some with views of the Danube. For food, Budapest offers amazing value. A full meal at a local restaurant might cost you around 6 to 10 euro, and you must try goulash and langos, a deep-fried flatbread with savory toppings that's a local favorite. 4. Bucharest, Romania. Bucharest, Romania's capital, is both historic and dynamic, with a lot to offer at low prices. Palace of the Parliament, the world's heaviest and second-largest administrative building, it's a monumental structure with a fascinating, albeit controversial, history. Old Town, Lipscani. Wander through the cobbled streets filled with lively cafes, bars, and historical landmarks like Stavropolios Monastery. Village Museum. Located in Herăstrău Park, this open-air museum showcases traditional Romanian village life, with wooden churches, houses, and windmills. Bucharest offers both grandiose communist architecture and charming old-world character at prices far lower than many Western European capitals. You can find a cozy budget hotel or a private room in a hostel for 20 to 30 euro per night. Bucharest's accommodation is not only cheap, but also well located, making it easy to explore the city. Romanian food is hearty and affordable. You can enjoy local dishes like mamaliga or ciorba, a sour soup, for about 6 to 9 euro. Street food is another great option. Try covrigi, a Romanian pretzel, for less than 1 euro. 5. Tirana, Albania. Albania might not be the first place that comes to mind, but Tirana offers fantastic value for budget travelers. Etembe Mosque, a beautiful Ottoman-era mosque with intricate frescoes, located right in the city center. Pyramid of Tirana. Once a museum dedicated to dictator Enver Hoxha, the pyramid is now an eccentric reminder of Albania's communist past. Mount Dajti. Take the Dajti Express cable car for stunning views of the city and surrounding mountains. Tirana's vibrant street life, fascinating history, and proximity to the beautiful Albanian Riviera make it a fantastic and affordable destination. Budget hotels or hostels in Tirana are some of the cheapest in Europe, starting from 15 to 25 euro per night. Despite the low prices, you'll find that many accommodations are modern and centrally located. In Tirana, meals in local restaurants are incredibly affordable. A traditional Albanian meal like tavkosi, baked lamb and rice, will cost you only around 4 to 7 euro. You can easily get a coffee and pastry for under 2 euros. 6. Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina. For a mix of history, culture, and affordability, Sarajevo is an amazing destination. Baskarcia, the old bazaar, full of Ottoman-style buildings, mosques, and cafes. It's the perfect place to experience traditional Bosnian coffee and buy local crafts. Latin Bridge, the site of Archduke Franz Ferdinand's assassination, which sparked World War I. Tunnel of Hope, a key supply route during the siege of Sarajevo. This underground tunnel is now a museum that tells the story of the city's struggle and resilience. Sarajevo is a living history lesson with affordable accommodations and an authentic cultural experience. Sarajevo is very affordable for travelers. A stay in a hostel or guest house will set you back about 20 to 30 euro per night, and many are located in the heart of the old town. When it comes to food, you can enjoy delicious Bosnian meals for next to nothing. Try kavapi, a dish of grilled minced meat, for about 4 to 8 euro in local restaurants. A cup of traditional Bosnian coffee is just 1 euro or less. 7. Prague, Czech Republic. Prague is not only famous for its fairy tale architecture, but also for being a relatively inexpensive destination, especially compared to Western Europe. Charles Bridge. Lined with Baroque statues, this iconic bridge offers stunning views of the Vltava River and the city's skyline. Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle complex in the world. It includes the Gothic St. Vitus Cathedral, royal palaces, and beautiful gardens. Old Town Square, a bustling square featuring the astronomical clock, which has been ticking since 1410, as well as charming medieval streets. Prague is not only visually stunning, but offers affordable accommodation and dining, making it a great choice for budget travelers. You can find budget hotels and hostels for around 25 to 35 euro per night. If you look for deals, you may find cozy apartments for similar prices, making it perfect for longer stays. Traditional Czech meals like svikova, a beef dish, or goulash are affordable, typically costing 6 to 10 euro at local pubs, known as hospodas. Street food, such as trdelník, a sweet pastry, is also cheap and delicious. 8. Porto, Portugal. Porto offers a combination of beautiful scenery, historical sites, and low prices, making it a fantastic budget destination. Ribeira District. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a picturesque maze of narrow streets and colorful buildings overlooking the Douro River. Livraria Lello, one of the world's most beautiful bookstores, it's said to have inspired J.K. Rowling when she lived in Porto. Dom Luís Bridge. Walk across this iconic double-decker iron bridge for stunning views of the river and the city. Porto offers a laid-back vibe, world-famous wine, and stunning coastal views at budget-friendly prices. In Porto, you can find budget hotels and hostels for around 25 to 40 euro per night. Guest houses in the city center offer an authentic experience without the hefty price tag. Portuguese cuisine is affordable and delicious. Try a francesinha sandwich, a local favorite, for about 7 to 10 euro. You can also enjoy fresh seafood dishes for reasonable prices at small local eateries. 9. Valencia, Spain. While many people flock to Madrid or Barcelona, Valencia offers a more affordable option with its blend of historical and modern attractions. City of Arts and Sciences, a futuristic complex that includes the hemispheric IMAX Theater, Prince Felipe Science Museum, and Oceanographic, Europe's largest aquarium. Valencia Cathedral. Home to what some claim is the Holy Grail, this beautiful cathedral sits at the heart of the city. Turia Gardens. Once a river, now a sprawling park perfect for walking, cycling, or picnicking. Valencia's balance of historic sites, modern attractions, and beach life make it a great and affordable destination. Valencia has plenty of budget hotels and hostels, with prices starting around 25 to 40 euro per night. There are also numerous budget-friendly apartments available for those staying longer. Don't miss the chance to try paella, Valencia's signature dish, which can be found for around 10 to 15 euro at local restaurants. For cheaper meals, try the Mercado Central, where you can grab fresh local produce and snacks for under 5 euros. 10. Brno, Czech Republic. Although overshadowed by Prague, Brno offers similar charms at a fraction of the cost. Spilberk Castle, a former royal castle and prison, now a museum, with fantastic views over Brno, Cathedral of St. Peter and Paul, an iconic landmark with twin spires that dominate the city's skyline. Brno Underground. Explore the hidden labyrinth of tunnels, wine cellars, and crypts beneath the city streets. Brno is a hidden gem with a relaxed vibe and plenty of culture, all at a lower cost than Prague. Brno is much cheaper than Prague, with hostels and budget hotels ranging from 20 to 30 euro per night. It's an ideal destination for travelers looking to experience Czech culture without the tourist crowds. In Brno, traditional Czech dishes such as svikova and knedlíky, dumplings, are plentiful, costing between 5 to 8 euro at local pubs. You can also find cheap beers, with a pint costing less than 2 euros in most places. 11. Gdansk, Poland. Located on the Baltic coast, Gdansk is an often overlooked gem that is both beautiful and affordable. Long Market, the heart of the Old Town, lined with colorful facades, and the iconic Neptune Fountain. Westerplatte. This site marks the start of World War II and is a must-visit for history enthusiasts. St. Mary's Church, one of the largest brick churches in the world, with a stunning interior and views from its tower. Gdansk offers rich history, stunning Baltic views, and affordable prices compared to other European coastal cities. Gdansk is incredibly budget-friendly, with hostels and guest houses costing around 20 to 30 euro per night. Many accommodations are located near the city's scenic Old Town. Meals in Gdansk are very affordable, with dishes like pierogi and bigos, a traditional Polish stew, costing between 5 to 10 euro. Seafood is also a local specialty, and it's surprisingly inexpensive compared to other coastal cities. So, If you're looking for even more affordable European destinations, there's no shortage of options. These cities not only offer incredible experiences, but also let you travel comfortably on a budget. Whether you want to visit historical sites, relax on the beach, or enjoy delicious local food, Europe has plenty of hidden gems that won't hurt your wallet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Safe travels, and see you in the next video!